Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on safe browsing, or like whenever you go to unwanted websites or like a scam website, Messenger will alert you to that website is scamming. So how you can do it: open up your Messenger and logged into your account and go to main menu and then go to settings, and then you will see privacy and safety. Click on that, and then you will see over here safe browsing. Click on that, and then you will see over here on the top a warning message or like a note: get warning when unsafe website may try to steal password and other personal information. To turn this off, you have to do is click on advanced browsing protection. Click on that. Like you can simply do is click on standard browsing protection as well. So for me, I want to turn on advanced mode. So that's it. That's how you can turn on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.